Today we're talking about a simple but essential tool for leatherworking. It's our 2-pound leather weights, available in brass and stainless steel. These leather weights are designed to keep your leather pieces and patterns secure while you cut, punch, or work on intricate designs. It provides just the right amount of pressure to hold materials in place without slipping or shifting. Yet it's not too heavy, so it remains easy to handle. The smooth surface and round edges prevent any damage or indentation on your leather. What I love about these weights is their compact size and comfortable grip. I've used everything from a spare maul, a can of glue, even a laptop. But having a purpose-built tool does a better job and is much more pleasant to use. Now I'll briefly show you the two main ways that I like to use these weights, with rulers and with patterns. Firstly, I use them every time I'm working with a pattern or template to prevent it from shifting while I mark my lines. I like to use a pair of these weights when I have a larger template to keep it in place. Secondly, I use these weights for cutting or stabilizing my rulers. Often when you're cutting a long line, a ruler can drift, causing your line to be crooked. For anything longer than about 1 foot, I put one weight on the far end of the ruler to act as an anchor point while I cut. And once you get one of these, I think you'll be surprised by all the other uses that you'll find for them. For a personalized look, you can also add a leather strap to this groove. To be extra careful, you could add a circle of leather on the bottom to further protect from denting or marking your leather. This is my pair right here that I keep in my workshop. I got the brass ones because I love all things brass, but they're available in stainless steel as well. And that's all for this video. Now you know what this pretty hunk of metal actually does, and you can pick one up for yourself at Sailrite.com. I'll also leave a link in the description box below.